you guys? Thank you for coming back to see another video. Today is for my Instagram poll voters who voted the glitter continues. When I asked you guys if you wanted to see a natural look or see glitter, y'all voted this. You voted glitter. And look at this backdrop. Oh my gosh. I think I used this backdrop like one other time, and it was in like one video. So I'm feeling it. Obviously, look at these eyes, this pink glitter. I literally couldn't help myself. I'm so just ecstatic about it. Hope you guys like it. If you want to see how I did it, please keep watching. Okay. Wow. Girls over here trying to mix glitters. We're coming up in the world. So I'm just going to take my Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm just going to use one of the hot pinks in there as my first color. I'm just going to put it straight on. I put on some Tarte Double Duty concealer as a base for my lid, so we'll see how that goes. I'm sure it'll be amazing, just like Shape Tape. I've been using it as concealer and absolutely love it. It is different than Shape Tape, but I really like it. It's like a thinner almost consistency, and it dries pretty quick, but once you leave it sitting on your skin, it still is like blendable, and it just kind of like blends itself. It's actually really amazing now that I'm like sitting here talking about it. It is really awesome. So I'm just gonna put this here the best I can, as straightest I can. I kind of want to transition this pink into a really pretty, just nude color. Let's take Lost for Words in the Bare Minerals Nude Palette. And I'm taking a Morphe M441. And I'm going to start putting that right here and blending the two. This brush may be too thick, we'll see. It's kind of funny because I want to go like colorful, and I also want to go like neutral, which is kind of funny. So we're going to get the best of both worlds in this video here today. I hope these aren't going to be hard to blend. I think it may be okay. I think it actually might be really cool because I see it starting to blend already, and this might be epic for me. I'm going to switch to a smaller brush right now. We're going to go to the 514 brush and just do the same thing. Yeah, this brush is a lot smaller for the crease. I like it. I love it actually. It's one of my most used. I'm really happy with the color choices so far. It looks better in person than it does on camera, but yeah. So I'm going to take Whipped from this palette and just go right over top underneath my brow just to kind of clean up. Ooh, it's shiny. Ooh, panic. Don't panic. I'm just going to try and cover up that color I just put on there. Okay, we're going to add just a nude type color right over top, or kind of on top of that brown, because it was going a little higher than I wanted it, so I'm going to kind of mute it up there, and I'm going to just start blending that brown color after this. So I'm just going to go in, I'm going to deepen up the pink, and I'm just going to kind of keep blending to see if I can get it to how I like it. Okay, what I'm about to do is so confusing in my mind, but I can picture it. It just happened. I've been waiting for it. I have it in my brain. So y'all just watch with me, okay? Just watch. Honey, the power of makeup, just the eyes. Well, guys, as much as I am tempted to just do a little pink little look and just call it a day, I'm gonna go and do the other eye. Can you guys tell how complicated this is? I'm gonna go do the other eye because I want a complete look, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, here is the final look. What do you think? Honestly, I'm speechless. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know, like, honestly, where this idea came from. I'm trying to, like, look at it as I talk to you guys. I hope you guys like this look. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know anything that you guys want to see in the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you guys so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.
What is up, you guys? Thank y'all for coming. Tongue twisted. If you could not rub my black pants, that would be great. Love you.